Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. Today we are going to learn about stuffing envelopes or huge embellished envelopes, whatever you want to call them. You can make it to fit a page. You can make it just as a standalone item to send a friend with, lots of goodies in it. Or you could even make it to store your own things, like in certain color combos, so that all your blue things are over here, and it's endless what you can do. So I'm gonna show you, and you need a double-sided cardstock. Is probably a little better because it's sturdier, but I only had one piece of cardstock and I messed it up. So we're just going to do it with double-sided scrapbook paper and pretend. So you score at 3 1/4 and 3 1/4 on this side. Then across the bottom, you want to do 3 3/4. Of course, you can do anything you want. If you want your fold up part to be bigger, if you want it to be smaller, you can do anything you want. So don't feel like you have to be tethered to the rules, because there aren't any rules really in junk journaling. So you need to decide which you want as the outside, and I think I want this on the inside. Alright, now up here, you want to fold back a little so that the top of your envelope is open and it's not, like this one. This was the first one I was going to do, and I just zipped it right up. And so you can't, once you fold this, you really can't get as much in or out as easily because it's shut. So if you fold this open, it kind of looks like a shirt. You got your collar bent back a little bit, so you can something else that is really cute, if you want, you can put lace here or some other coordinating paper, and like something green would be really cute there. So you can decorate it as much or as little as you want. I've seen it both ways. I've watched several videos on this. I think I like gluing it all the way shut, because if you just glue to here and you fold this up, it's kind of it gets kind of, that makes me a little bit nervous. So I'm gonna glue it all the way from here to the bottom. You could use glue, you could use this, whatever you want. Hot glue, I understand, is not the answer for this one, because it can bust open or I guess maybe tear the paper if you overstuff, so you don't want that. All right. Okay, so here's your beginnings. Now, I like this with a double pocket here and here. Most of the videos I have watched, they actually glued this shut so that you just had this single. I'm all for pockets, all for extra pockets. So I'm just gonna close it on the two sides so that I will have a double whammy pocket. Extra glue. So, pocket here, pocket here, tons of room. And of course it's this long, so if you've got like really big tags or, oh I'm sorry, so sorry, I was totally out of here. If you have long tags to put in there, you have plenty of room to store those. I've also seen, this is kind of cute. Looks like kind of, can you see it? Just kind of curled a little bit like a, and you can attach it down with glue or a little embellishment of some sort, a brad or a little flower, whatever. But it just kind of looks cute to me. It's not so prim and proper and perfect. So you've got big old pocket here, pocket here, pocket here, and you can add a big pocket here. Corner pockets. You could put, you know, a corner pocket across here and across here and make it, you know, it's endless. I don't need to even show you or tell you anything about that because you know all about good stuff. So here is a big O pocket envelope that you can stuff full of goodies and send to somebody or keep for yourself or put in a book or, sorry about that. All right, that is it. And I want to thank Linda for doing this 12 days of Journal Christmas for us. And I hope that you have enjoyed it. And I appreciate your time. Thank you.